Many diets these days focus on what you eat, but intermittent fasting instead focuses on when you eat. Despite what you guys may think, intermittent fasting is actually fairly easy. Most of us fast every day when we sleep. Intermittent fasting can be as simple as that, extending that period of fast for your day. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा what are the various methods of intermittent fasting, how intermittent fasting changes your body and its advantages and disadvantages. इस वीडियो के अंत तक आप intermittent fasting के बारे में सब कुछ जान चुके होंगे and you can decide for yourself if you want to try it or not. I suggest watch this video till the end. Lots of information coming up. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. There are many ways to approach intermittent fasting. For example, the first one I would talk about is ट्वाइस अ वीक मेथड. इस मेथड में आपने हफ्ते में 2 दिन चुनने हैं जिन दिनों पे आपने सिर्फ 500 कैलोरीज कंज्यूम करनी है अपने दिन में, और बाकी 5 दिन में आप अपनी नॉर्मल और बैलेंस डाइट फॉलो कर सकते हैं. यू कैन चूज एनी ऑफ द डेज, फॉर एग्जांपल ट्यूसडे एंड थर्सडे, मंडे और वेंसडे, एनी ऑफ द डेज दैट सूट्स यू. द सेकंड मेथड इज ऑल्टरनेट डे फास्टिंग. As the name suggests, इसमें आपने एक दिन फास्ट करना है, एक दिन नॉर्मल खाना है. Now the most popular and the easiest one to follow is the 16-8 fasting, or also known as time restricted eating. So according to the most popular method, the 16-8 method, इसमें the 16 hours will be your fasting window and the 8 hours will be your eating window, जिसमें आप 2 या 3 meals खा सकते हैं अपने दिन में. You can choose the 8-hour window according to your lifestyle. For example, it can be 9 to 5, 10 to 6 or the most common 12 to 8, जिसमें आपने सुबह 12 बजे से लेके रात के 8 बजे तक अपने 3 मील्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. इन द फास्टिंग विंडो यू गाइस कैन हैव वाटर, ग्रीन टी और ब्लैक कॉफी. Remember guys, it's very important to stay hydrated during that fasting window. So consume lots of water in that period as well. During the feeding window, try to have high protein meals with lots of fruits and vegetables and healthy fats like fish, almonds and coconuts. Now let's find out how intermittent fasting works. I'll keep it simple for you guys. When we eat a meal, the food is broken down into glucose. That glucose is transported around the various tissues and organs in our body to be used as energy. But when we eat more than the body requires, then that excess glucose has to go somewhere, right? Then that excess glucose is stored in the liver in the form of glycogen and also in the adipose tissue as fats. But when we are in the fasted state, glucose is depleted. So the liver then converts the glycogen into glucose to be used as energy. And this process is called glycogenolysis. It usually takes around 10 to 12 hours for glycogen to be depleted from the liver. After that, the real fun begins. And remember, this glycogen can be depleted quicker if you exercise along with the intermittent fasting. So now all the glycogen is gone and the body is like, oh my god! तो क्या? Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna die!
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
No, your body is extremely smart. It's a masterpiece actually. Now the body will look towards adipose tissue and be like, fats को लाओ, चलो fats ले आओ, कटो बाहर adipose tissue तो. And then that fat is converted into fatty acids, और उस fatty acid से बनती हैं ketone bodies which are used as energy to keep our body going. That is how you burn fat with intermittent fasting. Now let's move on to advantages of intermittent fasting. The first one, जो सबकी फेवरेट है, weight loss and fat loss. Of course, जब हम किसी set period में खाएंगे, सारा दिन हम खाते नहीं रहेंगे कुछ ना कुछ, तो will consume less calories and in turn will be in a caloric deficit state. 2017 में एक स्टडी ने सजेस्ट किया कि जो ओबीस लोग हैं उनमें intermittent fasting led to greater fat loss and weight loss as compared to eating in a caloric deficit diet throughout the day. A similar research done in 2016 suggests the same. उसमें इन्होंने देखा कि जो लोग 16-8 मेथड फॉलो कर रहे हैं फॉर अराउंड 8 weeks along with resistance training, they experienced fat loss and weight loss, but their muscle mass remained the same. The second advantage is it reduces the insulin level in our body and also helps against insulin resistance, which can give some protection against type 2 diabetes mellitus. और भी काफी advantages हैं, like it reduces inflammation, it's good for your heart's health because it reduces the LDL, which is also called as bad cholesterol. It reduces the risk of some cancers, although these studies have been mostly seen in animals. इनके बारे में कोई पक्की research नहीं हुई अभी तक in humans. Another big advantage is that it also boosts the brain's health. It is known to increase the BDNF, the brain-derived neurotropic factors, which supports the growth and survival of neurons. That's why it keeps us sharp. Now let's talk about some potential side effects. Some people have been known to suffer from increased hunger, tiredness, or weakness in the first initial days of starting intermittent fasting. The second disadvantage is most people during the 8-hour feeding window tend to overeat or eat lots of crap food in that eating window to satisfy their hunger. Also, pregnant women and breastfeeding women should stay away from intermittent fasting. Fourth is it can lead to low blood pressure. Another disadvantage is that there has not been any long-term research or long-term study related to intermittent fasting. So it's still somewhat of a gray area. Also, if you suffer from any underlying medical condition or are prone to any eating disorder, you should avoid intermittent fasting. And if you really want to give it a shot, at least consult it with your doctor first. At the end of the day, there is no hard and fast rule when it comes to nutrition. There is no one size that fits all. The best diet for you is the one you can stick to for a long term. Guys, ये थी intermittent fasting के बारे में video. Now you guys can decide for yourself if you guys want to try it or not. Let me know in the comment section if you decide to give it a shot. That's it for this week's video, guys. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई और आपने कुछ नया सीखा हो तो drop me a like, leave a comment and share it with a friend. आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.